DSWD's 4Ps or Patawid Pamilya Pilipino program is a government anti-poverty scheme that works and has been one of the most successful poverty mitigation programs ever. The self-help program provides qualified beneficiaries with monthly allowances to let them finish school and hopefully reintegrate themselves as productive members of society once they find work. But this time, the DSWD is taking it a step further by helping them find work, as our Rod Lagusad reports.
The government's goal for beneficiaries of the 4Ps or Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program is to help them break free from poverty. Because of this, a job fair was organized to assist graduating 4Ps beneficiaries to continue to improve their lives. This is a trabaho sa Bagong Pilipinas job fair held at the Rizal Memorial Coliseum.
Para masigurado na yung mga 4Ps graduates natin o yung mga beneficiaryo na maaring lumabas na sa programa patuloy na masubaybayan ng inyong mga pangangailangan. So kasama ho dyan na makahanap ng trabaho at siguraduhin na hindi na tayo babalik ulit sa kahirapan.
Despite the long lines, Annalyn and Rodaline remain unfazed.
Kailangan kasi malaki na yung mga anak ko eh. Kailangan magandang trabaho kasi para sa kinabukasan ng mga bata. Kahit basta minimum sahod. Okay na po sa akin.
Malaking tulong po para matustusan ng pangangailangan ng mga anak ko kasi may 4 po akong anak na nag-aaral po sila lahat. Pang-renta ng bahay, pambayarin na sa araw-araw, panggastos, ganun po. Basta maraan po na trabaho, okay po.
They were among the 12,000 graduating 4Ps beneficiaries who attended the event with 94 employers participating.
Mayroon pong mga kahilantulad o kagayang mga activities o gawain na isinasagawa sa lahat po ng rehiyon sa buong Kapuluan, kung saan po ang mga 4Ps beneficiaries ay kalahok.
Nilalayon namin mas dumami pa ang ating mga kababayan may kakayahang tugunan ang kanilang sariling mga pangangailangan. Dahil ibig sabihin nito ay higit na marami pa ang mag-aambag sa pagpapaunlad ng ating bansa.
Additionally, 3,000 pesos were distributed to 4Ps members at the said job fair to cover pre-employment requirements such as medical examination and transportation allowance. Pre-employment advisory services were also provided by various agencies like Pag-ibig Fund, PhilHealth, SSS, and others. Apart from this, the Kadiwa ng Pangulo was also present, selling affordable goods such as rice that can be bought at 29 pesos.
Ever since naman po nung nag-launch tayo ng P29 na bigas, ito po ay para sa atin talagang vulnerable sector. So ito po yung 4Ps. So base po sa feedback natin at pag-iikot natin, talaga pong nakakatulong sa kanila ito.
Overall, the Department of Agriculture aims to further lower rice prices.
Ngayon yung ating MSRP is nasa 58, pero bababa yan by February 5 to 55, by February 15 to 52, at by March 1, dapat ang pinakamataas na imported rice sa palengke ay dapat nasa 49 pesos na lamang. By next week, mag-i-issue na tayo ng ating rice emergency para ma-release na yung NFA rice na naka-imbak at para maibenta na yan sa mga LGU.
The target price for this rice is 38 pesos per kilo. From PTV Manila, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.